Not only for premium all-inclusive deals, but Lux Star South Ari Atoll gives 40 complimentary experiences for all kinds of Maldives tour packages throughout 2023. We all have heard of program-rich premium holiday packages of Maldives beach resorts. Haven't we? As a matter of fact, it is justified that you get in for a certain amount of exclusive fun because you spend a couple more extra dollars. However, this news from Lux Star South Ari Atoll Maldives is quite unprecedented and is likely to catch you off guard. Let us cut to the chase. Lux Star South Ari Atoll, one of the high-esteemed beach resorts in the Maldives, ETS up as many as 40 complimentary experiences for its guests. The amusement kicks in when you realize that guests need not be on any of its premium, all-inclusive deals to have access to this much amount of fun. All they need to do is just land themselves here on a basic plan. Pretty pumped up, right? Well, let us delve in deep. Lux Star South Ari Atoll has classified these 40 into 6 phases of your Maldives vacation at Lux Star South Ari Atoll Maldives, namely, on arrival, daily, once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, and celebrations. Don't you feel a week-long honeymoon or family getaway at Lux South Ari Atoll will leave no stone unturned in amusing you? One more thing. Don't you want to ask how long they will be up for grabs? Interestingly, this experience-rich scheme at Lux Star South Ari Atoll Maldives is available around this year. You can fly here anytime in 2023 and fly back with an eventful Maldives holiday or Maldives honeymoon. Because Lux Star South Ari Atoll Maldives has somewhat stolen the show for the entire 2023. Before we enumerate all the 40 experiences, it behooves us to break to you a few facts about Lux Star South Ari Atoll Maldives. Perched on its own pristine natural coral island in the South Ari Atoll of the Maldives in the Indian Ocean. This 5-star haven is a true playground for all sorts of travelers, such as couples, families with kids, and solo adventures. Lux Star South Ari Atoll Maldives boasts of a beach and overwater accommodation plan in 8 villa categories. 9 international eateries, places for indoor and outdoor games, a wellness center, and a water sports and dive center. Make sure you spare no second in getting on to us. Travel Connection Maldives. For getting your suitable Maldives deals to Lux South Ari Atoll Maldives. Also, to get more Maldives news, read the latest travel blogs and news from the Maldives. On arrival, guests will have access to the resort's spacious private lounge at the seaplane terminal, inclusive of a variety of beverages and snacks. Complimentary Wi-Fi and a play corner. Upon arrival at the resort, guests will be provided with welcome drinks and ice cream for kids. A branded cap, a caftan, and a hand fan in the room. A t-shirt, a cap, and a bag for children at the play. Complimentary access to the resort's Lux * app on Apple Store and Google Play. Daily. 25 messages in the bottle hidden around the island with amazing gifts. Complimentary coffee every day at Café Lux * from 6:30 to 10:30. 500 books available in different languages at the Wanderlust Library. Complimentary calls worldwide from our phone home booths are available 24 hours. 45-minute private photo session with photo fanatics. Photo booth at the disco toilet. Complimentary sun protection lotion and infused water at Belly Bar and Lagoon Bar. Complimentary beach service at Beach Rouge and Senses. Yoga and fitness sessions. Complimentary Wi-Fi access. Virtual reality diving experience at the diving center. Complimentary ice cream once a day from the ICI tricycle. Complimentary snorkeling equipment, canoes, pedal boats, kayaks, and stand-up paddleboards. Access to the relaxation area with pools, sauna, and steam room at Lux * Me Spa. Digital international newspapers, magazines, and games. Access to petanque court, badminton court, and table tennis at Jungle Gym. Daily activities program for kids and teens. Selected activities are chargeable. Access to the volleyball court and tennis courts with complimentary rackets and balls, upon availability. Once a week. Bingo and quiz night. Marine talk. Meet the marine biologist. Lux * ME product discovery and DIY facial workshop. Coral planting session with marine biologist. Aperitivo management cocktail on the beach. Twice a week. Cinema Paradiso, open-air movies on the beach. Coffee latte art and coffee roasting workshop at Café Lux. Creative workshop at Junk Art Studio in gallery for all ages. Tree of Wishes ceremony with participation in the annual Lucky Draw. Hair consultation at Lux*Me Spa. 3 times a week. Themed DJ nights at Beach Rouge. Kids yoga at Play. Celebrations. Bath ceremony. Birthday, honeymoon and anniversary, excluding romantic pool villas. Bed decoration. Birthday, honeymoon and anniversary. Birthday cake. Extensive complimentary family activities during festive, Lunar New Year, Easter, and Diwali. Lux*Expert Workshop.